All right, my performance delivery number 1. Got a little from FedEx there. So, man, these staples out of control. Just be careful. Them staples can be sharp. Alright, here we go. Find the time to get some goodies. And we got our bill. And we have timing chain cover. Everything's in its own little box. Low pressure switch. Cam sensors, which we already installed. Crank sensor. Mopar cam sensor. Right. Got an empty box. This one's kind of heavy. It's labeled mixed parts. Looks like this is going to be most of our timing gear setup. There's our water pump. Tensioner. Mopar 1. Mopar idler. Alright, let's just stick this back in here. Gotta be more. There's more box to go through. Box on top of that. There we go. Okay. All right. Oil filter housing, buddy. Get that. Nice. With our bolts. One more thing for the engine. We got these also. MPX cam gears. 1. And 2. Here's our timing belt. Opted to go with the Blue Gates Racing because you're going to be seeing it. I believe that's one very expensive box of parts. All I can say is we got free shipping on this one. So, I'm going to keep the rest of this stuff here. I use this stuff for packing some stuff when I ship it. So, not a fan of peanuts, but hey man, it works. The rest of that stuff's going to go in the garbage. But we got everything for our timing belt assembly now, so we can get the timing belt housing and everything be installed. I've already installed a new one of these, so we don't need that. The magnets installed, so we can install our cam. We can install our crank. We already installed cam sensors, so we don't need to install those. We can get our timing installed. We can get the oil filter housing installed. So that'll be for another video, but that's just real quick unboxing of our first bit of stuff that we got from Modern Performance there. All right.